Kontor, the world's biggest dance music label, wanted to promote the new Boris Dlugosch track to the advertising industry. But the target audience, agency creative directors, notoriously ignore promo CDs. So for their mailing, Kontor used what all good DJs use to grab their audience: real vinyl. A vinyl record. But how could anybody play it? The answer was to include a record player as part of the mailing itself. The office turntable. It works with a specially developed smartphone device. It's easy to use, and it's for all types of smartphone. No downloading, no fuss, just analog fun with a digital device. It also gives direct access to Kontor TV for even more music. The response was very impressive. By the way, Boris Dlugosch liked the office turntables so much that it will be featured in his new video on all music channels, off and online. Back to vinyl, the office turntable.